Hello again, friends. By now, your skin should be feeling softer and smoother. Let's explore some more powerful dye remedies to give your skin that radiant, youthful glow. These are natural, easy, and require minimal effort. I hope you will watch the previous two videos, Part 1 and Part 2. You will try to use the same method as I mentioned in Part 1. In Part 2, I have also mentioned how to brighten our skin. Start with milk cleansing. Take some raw milk and apply it on your face using a cotton ball. Milk contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates, soothes irritation, and nourishes your skin. Using this a few times a week brightens the skin naturally. Now I will discuss another method which we all eat every day in small or large quantities. The name of that ingredient is banana. The banana and honey mask. Mash a ripe banana and mix with a teaspoon of honey. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Bananas are full of vitamins, while honey moisturizes and fights bacteria. Friends, this combination is perfect for dry or dull skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. Here's a hydration tip: coconut water. Apply chilled coconut water to your face or use it as a toner. It balances oil, provides nutrients, and gives a natural dewy glow. Coconut water is especially good after exposure to sun or pollution. Another amazing remedy is papaya and honey. Mash ripe papaya, mix with honey, and apply it for 15 minutes. Papaya enzymes remove dead cells, while honey moisturizes. Friends, this is perfect for brightening and evening skin tone. Over time, your skin looks healthy, luminous, and refreshed. Finally, always remember to hydrate and eat healthy. Water, fresh fruits, and vegetables reflect on your skin's health. Glowing skin is a combination of external care and internal nutrition. Combine these remedies with good habits and your skin will thank you.